If you're looking for somewhere to build your dream house right beside the lake, so why not a lake house? So this may be the property for you. This 0.91-acre land is around a 42-minute drive from Colorado Springs. It's approximately 30 miles away. The nearest city would be Florissant, and it's only 12 minutes or 11 minutes away via car, around 7 or 9 miles away. The best thing about this parcel is, of course, the lakes nearby, and you're right beside the resort among, you have neighbors here and there, and of course, road access. So, in terms of year-round access, you do have the luxury or the ability to visit the land anytime you want. So, this is perfect for people who want access, and ideally, why not a lake house, right? Build your mountain dream home next to a lake with trees and great road access where you can visit lots of deers, hummingbirds, and other wildlife. The roads are county maintained and electricity is at the lot line. Water is provided by the community water district. A septic needs to be installed, but there's no mandatory HOA. Again, Colorado Springs is less than an hour away and only 2 hours from Denver. Close to everything outdoors, and there's Gold Medal Waters at 11 Mile, Mueller State Park, Fossil Beds, National Forest, where you can hike, ride horses, ATVs, and biking trails. This lot feels secluded, yet only 9 miles to Teller County Road 1 and 3 miles away to Highway 24. You can also enjoy local shopping, dining in Florissant, Cripple Creek Divide, and Woodland Park. So if you're interested in this parcel and you don't want to pay one-time cash, don't miss this chance to take advantage of our owner financing option. So you can contact us for more information. In addition, the terrain is leveled. Its best attribute is it's right next to a lake. The annual approximate property tax is $478. The zoning code is residential R1. The general elevation is 8,896 feet, and there's no time to build. This is Joseph with CheapLandFarm.com. You may contact us via 463-218-7280, or you may email us at info@cheaplandfarm.com. If you haven't already, we recommend you visit our website, cheaplandfarm.com, and visit the FAQ section wherein you'll see all the common questions that we receive and the answers to it, which would help with your due diligence or research. Thanks for watching. Kindly leave a like and subscribe. Bye for now.